A quick update on the progress of the Eldorado. I got all the air conditioning lines back hooked up, so it's system sealed. Put all new rubber gaskets and all the connections. Got a new compressor, new condenser. Kind of spilled a little bit of fluid as I was the PAG oil as I was refilling it, and so it's all set up. I gotta just put the 134A conversion kit on it, so it will accept the new refrigerant. But other than that, the engine's almost ready to go. I got everything else plugged back in. I just need to put the air cleaner on, and I need to put the radiator in and connect the oil lines and transmission lines to it. But it should be ready to go here in another couple days of work.